know what I mean? In the summertime you obviously get, the hills are always sort of just pure green, but when you come up and do a wild camp, you just see the light changing for sunset and sunrise. It's beautiful. And obviously a forecast like this, you've got to come up the Northwest Highlands, especially this area, looking into Torridon and Fisherfield. Last week was good, big rolling peaty beasts, but the Northwest just takes the biscuit.
Anchor. Morning, Kev.
Good morning, how are we?
Not too bad, good sleep, eh?
Yeah, probably the best sleep I've had.
I'd say so, I think.
Under a tent, yeah, because it was quite tired. So I just had a wee wander up there and then over there this morning for sunrise. Wasn't as good as yesterday. Had the nice, well, I had a sort of nice little red ball that sort of was obscured by the clouds.
Aye, when you were over there, it lit up that wee lock in there. It's quite nice, like.
But I think I needed that sleep because that was tough yesterday, you know what I mean?
Aye, we had to dig deep, eh?
Well, it was a good few hours coming off that Corbett.
Aye.
And then obviously round here, lack of food, heat, exhaustion I think set in as well, and just tiredness, just feel lack of sleep. But
I think when we had that something to eat down there, we did get a second wind, eh?
Aye, yeah,
those protein shakes were good. Did they taste good, but they just filled us up.
They did the job, didn't they? Yes.
Right, I'm just about on the boil, so see you in a minute.
Toodaloo.
Nice wee ridge, eh?
It's a lovely little ridge. Ridge about Ridgeways.